For the 7th tip of Christmas, I'm going to share with you 7 decor and furniture essentials. So here on the 7th tip of Christmas, I have to bust out the glasses because I gotta look at my digital list. Santa goes digital now, just in case you didn't know. And there's no way I'm gonna be able to remember all this, so here is my nice list for 7 furniture and decor essentials that I think you have to have at your Airbnb. So number 1 is a sleeper sofa. It's going to fit more people, more heads in beds equals more money in your pocket. Number 2, same idea here, is an air mattress. Get a nice one though, don't just do a little like floor one that feels like it's kind of a pool floaty. You know, make sure it has a little bit of oomph to it so that it's a comfortable night's sleep. Number 3, 1 piece of wall art in each bedroom at the very least. You don't want it to look too cluttered with a bunch of pieces of wall art, maybe 2, at most 3, but definitely at least 1 piece in each room because we don't want it to look empty. Number 4 is blackout curtains, especially for people that are coming into town for work and have weird hours. They're gonna wanna sometimes sleep during the day. Blackout curtains, especially in the master, are a very big essential. Number 5 is a work desk. Same type of person that we're appealing to is a employee or someone in town for work. They're gonna want a place to be able to plop up their laptop. Number 6, lamps with USB outlets. Most of the time, these outlets that you're going to have to plug your phone into next to your bed are behind the bed, and that's way too annoying. So just go ahead and get a lamp for them so they can just, boom, plug their little USB into the lamp and it's charging overnight. And then 7, the last one here, a 1 nightstand per bed minimum, because again, if they're gonna have a lamp, they need a place to put it. And in the master, I would suggest 2 nightstands. This has been the 7th tip of Christmas. Go out and get these decor essentials, furniture essentials. They're going to be key for you. And if you missed the first 6, here they are again. 6 places to shop, $5K to get a VA, 4 ways to get a listing, 3-day minimums, 2 sets of towels, and a free master class.